Are you looking for an intuitive way to create and handle multi-step workflows in your React apps? Meet the Syncfusion React Stepper, your go-to tool for guiding users seamlessly through a series of steps or stages in a web application. Whether it's a form submission, purchase flow, or a project tracker, this customizable component keeps everything on track and ensures smooth user experience. Let's start by choosing the layout that fits your app's design, horizontal for a side-by-side look, or vertical for a stacked view. No matter the screen size, the stepper ensures smooth experience on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Need a structured or flexible workflow? The stepper gives you full control. With a linear process, users progress one step at a time, ensuring a structured flow from project setup to task planning and beyond. With a nonlinear process, they can jump between steps freely. Maybe they start tracking progress first and return later to refine their plan. Easily guide users with step types. Choose sleek indicators, clear labels, or both for an informative and engaging experience. Adjust label positions to the top, bottom, left, or right to fit your layout. Plus, it highlights the active step, keeping navigation simple and clear. Want to provide additional guidance? Use Tooltips to display helpful information when users hover over a step. Want more flexibility? Use templates to fully customize step content and design. Easily track user progress with validation states. Show success or error indicators based on completion. Need flexibility? Mark steps as optional, so users can skip them if needed. For a more dynamic look, customize the dot markers with icons, colors, or images, and style the connector lines with different widths, colors, and styles like solid or dashed. For a smoother user experience, animate step transitions with customizable duration and delay. Accessibility is a priority. The stepper fully supports Y-ARIA, making it compatible with screen readers and keyboard navigation. It also includes right-to-left support, ensuring a seamless experience for global users. When it comes to styling, the stepper supports built-in themes like Material, Bootstrap, and Tailwind. Or you can customize it to match your app's branding. Ready to enhance multi-step navigation in your React app? Try Syncfusion's React Stepper today and create a smooth, intuitive user experience effortlessly.